This is Dr. Mel Lambrechts from the Centre of Wellness in Parkmore. When patients come to my practice for wrinkle-reducing injections, we have a frank discussion about what their concerns are and what their expectations are. And always I find that my patients ask for a beautiful, natural result. I'm quite fortunate, and I think we are in South Africa, that we tend to follow a more European way of rejuvenating our patients. The slightly more American way, I find, requires the treatments to be visible and to be noticeable with slightly higher cheekbones and more prominent lips. However, with us as trainers and as injectors, we follow a more European way, which we're trying to create a very natural look in our patients, like the Italian and the French and the Spanish woman. They want to wake up in the morning and say, this is just the way I look, this is how I wake up. And what we try and do is to try and create looks like that for our patients. We remove negative expressions from their faces, where underlying eyes, for example, can leave you looking tired. Eyebrows that droop leave you looking sad. Dents in the corner of the mouth leave you looking a little bit angry and stern. And shrunken lips make you look a little bit older and maybe a little bit spiteful. So instead of trying to chase turning a 55-year-old woman into a 25-year-old woman, rather we modify the expressions and the emotions that our faces give to the world out there. And by smoothing out dents at the bottom of the mouth, we look happier. Mouths look more sensual, you look like a more beautiful woman. Eyes that lift up and look more friendly, and tear troughs, when we take them out, you don't look so tired. So trust your South African doctors to give you a gentle, beautiful rejuvenation with our wrinkle-reducing injections. Today I'd like to briefly talk to you about using Plexer, a new type of machine for upper and lower eyelid blepharoplasty. So if you're somebody who's considering eyelid surgery because your eyelids seem a bit heavy or your under eyes are a little bit crinkly and you're a bit nervous and you're not so sure you want to go to the expense or the downtime of surgery, then perhaps Plexer is something that you should consider. Plexer is a new type of technology called plasma. So it's a little bit like a laser, but slightly different. It sends out a tiny, minuscule, about a 1 millimeter lightning bolt that jumps from the tip of the machine to your skin, and it makes a tiny little hole that heals over the next 5 days. And hundreds of these little holes are made over the region, and as that happens, the eyelid skin completely tightens up, non-surgically. So this forms part of a group of treatments called soft surgery. It is highly effective. I use it in my practice every day with incredible results. At the end of the video, we'll show you a few before and after pictures. The downtime is real. You have about 5 days worth of swelling and small scabs, but the results are absolutely worth it. Speak to your practitioner today and find out more about Plexer.